to today's video. Today's video is going to be a mini 99-cent store haul, and I do have my bag because I did record a video just before and I don't want to show it in the same clothes, so I just gonna hide it with this. Yes, let's get started to our haul. Remember, if you haven't done so, subscribe, and if you already did, thank you very much. You already know the drill. Many thanks. Let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to show you is this. Hold on. Ta-da! This, I already took off the price because I already took off the price. It is this Pepsi Cola, a big OK bottle opener catcher thing. Hopefully, look, it has a wire here. It was $7.99. I'm not sure if this was for like Target, like for Walmart item or not. I don't think so. I think, who knows? It's pretty big. I like it. The next item, let's get to like continue on that one, is this bottle one. That is the same thing, Pepsi Cola, but you can see it's the shape of a bottle. I got from 99-cent stores. Is drink Pepsi Cola, a nickel drink worth a dime. And of course, you open your bottle and this will catch the cap. This was $5.99, and it has this thing. I don't know if they use it to hang it there. It was just standing where I found it at the 99-cent store, and it has these two little things to put it where you want to. If you want to put it in a wall, it sits perfectly fine like that, but you actually need to screw it to something that it has some kind of a structure on the back so you can actually open your bottle. The next thing is these disposable protective masks. They are pink and it has 3 layers. It says here, and it was $1.99, and it includes 10 pieces. Now these, it says 3-layer of filtration, and it has a deformable nose clip to fit the face, and they're pink. And I also saw the other ones, the regular ones that look like blue, and I like these ones because sometimes my daughters forget their mask, and I'm gonna have some of these on the car as well. Then I got these candy cane poles, they're called. They were 2 for 99 cents. I think at the dollar store they're $1 each, so at the 99 cents it's 2 for 99, and they're the thick ones, and I believe these are the soft ones, so they're nice. Okay, the next thing here is these baby doll, $3.99 at an extreme value. I don't know about that. Is this new baby born baby, $3.99. Layla got it. This for the other options that you got. I didn't see all of those options there, but it had this one. This is a little turquoise one, and Layla got that. And then I also got these. It's a $2.49 item, and it's a nutcracker, but this is a princess nutcracker. It looks like it has wings on the back, and it is broken on that side, but the little piece is right here. The actual nutcracker body all the way to the head, it's wood, except the crown. The crown is ceramic, and the hair is precious, and it was the only girl one, so even if it's broken, I got it. I could hot glue it. It's no big deal. Then I got a bag. I'm randomly getting the things from my bag. I got these Drums Colores, mini marshmallows, De La Rosa brand. You can see these are delicious. They taste like fruits, so if you get the pink ones, it's like strawberry and so forth. Like, it's really nice. They're really delicious. Then I got these. Woohoo! These Folgers 100% Colombian medium blend rich and lively flavor coffee for $3.99. This is not $3.99 somewhere else for the husband. I also got this little sign that says Be Merry, and this was just 99 cents. It has a little thing there so you can prop it. Look at that. Be Merry. Yeah. Then I got these 2 ornaments, and these holiday ornaments were 99 cents. I say they were 99 cents because in the 99 cents, not everything is 99 cents. So I got the little, kind of like the wagon, not like like the red wagon with the Christmas tree on top, and then the front of the wagon with the Christmas tree on top, and the gifts and the little wreath on the front, which is so cute. I don't know why. Well, the reflection of inside the truck, it's a little bit weird, but it has like no driver. The gifts are driving. Okay, the next thing are these two. These two little artificial succulents. They are in these two little gnome little pots and their little feet. I got two of them. These were 99 cents as well. You know what it reminded me of? I'm going with the Grinch theme for my living room. It reminded me of the Grinch. The little Grinch feet and this. I don't know. They are elves, nonetheless. And then I got this battery operated lights for $1.99. I'm going to be using this for a wreath thing that I got from DIY it. Then I got this Colgate toothpaste for my kiddos. It is a very thin, but it is 99 cents. So there's that. Then I got these two little trees, and it says, "May your days be merry and bright." And they were $1.99. They weren't $1, so there it is, $1.99. And the star here is like metal, and it reminded me of the Grinch feeling of the little tippy tree. And so I got those. I thought they were cute, like that. The next thing is a frame. I just got a full frame. I needed one like this, and then it is by 8 by 10. They go really nice on their frames, on their frame selection. And last thing, last thing is this tin. It was the last one that they had. It is $2.49, and it is like a platter server thing. You can use it to prop it up like this, or to actually have things in here. But it says, "Happy Holidays!" Yay! Yes, that is all that I got from the 99-cent store. I think. Yes, that's all I got from the 99-cent store. And yeah, that is all. Comment down below what was your favorite item, and or if you already got this or you never got this. The 99-cent store does carry items that are worth more than 99 cents, but they are cheaper than another stores, and there are knockoffs or of Hobby Lobby and Michael's. So there's that little tip there. Yeah, well, that is all that I have for you guys for today. And click subscribe if you haven't done so. If you did, thank you very much. And I will see you next time. Goodbye.